Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I was supposed to do an unboxing video for you guys, but I was just so overwhelmed with excitement that I just ripped open the package. If you can recall, a couple of days back I said to you guys that I ordered myself a new budgeting setup because that's just what I do. I love being organized, and it just looks like so much more fun to have a binder with the cash envelopes, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I've ordered and what the new setup is, and then we'll get into my cash stuffing for week 3 in my next video. So first off, I finally got my cash tray. This is going to help me so much. And I am really excited to start using this. It really was inexpensive. I think I paid something like maybe $2.99, I'm not sure. So I will link it below in the description if you guys are interested, because I really looked far and wide, and the problem is with me being in South Africa, ordering Amazon really takes a long time, and the shipping is so expensive, you know, if I should order anything from Amazon. So I ordered from Shein, and all of this was supposed to come the first week of January, but it arrived yesterday. And instead of doing an unboxing video for you guys, I just was so overwhelmed, like I said, and I started, you know, putting all my envelopes in, transferring everywhere into my envelope. So let's start off with, first of all, there was something I wasn't happy about. They've got 5 different colors binders. Got black, white, blue, pink and orange. So instead of sending me one of each, yes, I ordered 5 binders. So instead of sending me one of each color, they sent me 2 orange blue. So, but that's fine, we'll just work with that. So the first one I marked as long-term savings, and what I basically put in here is the school savings, anniversary, Christmas, Secret Santa, which is what we do in our family. I've got our medical savings. I did see through one of the banks that I bank with, they have medical insurance which isn't too expensive, and it includes all the basic things. I just want to double check whether it includes hospitalization so that I can go ahead and get a proper quote on that, but that is something like in the distant future that I'll think about doing. And then my new car, household appliances, emergency, these nice trackers I got from the Budgeting Mom. It's one of her freebies, and I just thought, you know, this is going to be better than going here and there and everywhere and being all over the place with my A4 trackers. So this is much better. So the other thing I didn't want to do is I didn't want to paste any stickers or vinyl or write on these envelopes, because, you know, if a category changes or we don't see the need of a category anymore, then at least I can just change out whatever's in here, put the new stuff in, and then just change the tracker in front. So that's our emergency fund, new phone, and then my kiddos, my 2 daughters and my baby boy. Now this son, I don't save up for him anymore because he's a working young man, and the most exciting part of it all is, you guys, my kids are actually asking me for envelopes now for whenever they get pocket money, want to save a portion of that. So that is quite good. Mommy's new system, budgeting system and stuff, is rubbing off on them, which I'm super proud of. And yeah, so this is the where's short term? So short term and long term, I made them both the 2 blue ones. These are just so cute. I love these little stars on it. So these are the short-term savings it's for birthdays. And then our pet fund, clothing, family fund, Mother's Day, Father's Day, self-care, date night, then our tithe, So what I'll do is every week I'll put money in here for our tithe, and then the first Sunday of the new month, when we have our Passover feast and stuff at church, I'll just put it in the tithe envelope at church and then just drop it in the box. And then beauty, this is a new one I added, because I basically just put nail polish over my nails, but every now and I love to spoil myself. I don't get tips or anything like that. I just ask the lady to put like a gel overlay on my nails. So that is what this is for. And then obviously if I want to get my hair done, my hair is really long. It's like really long. It like hangs in at my lower back. And I just had it permed like a couple of weeks ago. So I'm good for now for my hair, but if I maybe want to get the ends trimmed and so on, then on this envelope. Then, like, remember I told you guys we don't have a car? That is basically true. My son got a car, old Mercedes 1988 model, 200 Mercedes from one of the uncles that he did a job for, that he did something for, but he got it as a gift. So, but this car is not very reliable, and it's very expensive to fix and to the road. But my husband asked me that, you know, in between my envelopes, please can I just put in an envelope for some gas for the car and repairs and maintenance, and start building these up, because what they do is when they get a little job in, they take a drive with it, but it's like then it drives, then it doesn't want to drive. So I can't, for example, drive with that car and know that I'm going to get safe to my office, which is the town over. You know, it won't go 120 kilometers per day every day and not give me any problems. So basically now they're just using it for local trips, if they need to go see someone for a quote or anything like that. So those are the short-term savings that are sinking funds binder. And then I've got, let's do the pink one first. I don't like pink. Unfortunately, my money tray also came in pink, but it's fine. I'll work with it. So I made my bills / 1 month ahead fund. I made the pink binder. So what I've got in here is, I get paid once a month on the 25th. So I would basically go take out my money from the bank and then see how many weeks I've got to work with until my next payday, and divide that cash up and put it in here. So these ones I wrote on week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. So that, when that week comes, I can just basically take out the money from here, and then just stuffing all my savings challenges. Week 1 and 2, as you guys know, has already been done now. So we've basically got 6 weeks, since I've got paid on the 15th of December. Then behind this, I've got, we cancelled Netflix. We've only got Showmax now because it's got more of our home language movies on, and series and stuff that we love to watch. So we've only got Showmax now for 99 Rand. So I'm building that up to a month ahead. Our household gas for the gas stove and geyser is 250, but that's like every 2 to 3 months that we need to replace the canister. Water is 300 Rand a month that I buy. We've got prepaid water, so we'll be building that up. Rain is our internet service provider, which is 4.99 a month, which I'll be building up. And then electricity, on the 1st of every month we buy 500 Rands worth of electricity, or for whichever amount we've got. But I would love to have this a month ahead, so that all my bills, and that when my salary hits the bank, I've already got the money in there, and I know that on the 1st I can just do all of that. I can take all of my money out and restuff all of these envelopes for the next month. Our rent is 6,000 Rand a month. Like I said to you guys previously, I am basically a month ahead. I get paid on the 25th, and on that same day I pay the debt and all the bills. It's just the water and electricity that I let the week pass until the 1st of the new month, so that I can get more units and more kiloliters of water for the amount that I buy for. So these are my 2 savings challenge binders. This is number 1, and this is that nice, it's like an orange, bluish, I don't know, it's like a funny color. It's like a pearl type of thing. So we've got all our savings challenges in here. This one is completed. We'll unstuff it in the next video. And then I'm not going to do all of these all at once. I just order them in envelopes so that when I've completed one, then I can immediately carry on to the next one. And the one that I've completed will get a new savings challenge in and will go in at the back. I printed out as well from Little Helpful Files. It was one of her freebies. Fall in Love with Saving. Our fall season starts in March, so that is when I'm doing this one, and then it's March, April, May, and then June, July and August is our winter season here in South Africa. Then there's a $1 savings challenge, a no spend month challenge, on my way to 1K, and then all of these, you guys know, I took you through these previously. It's all the Bible verses savings challenges, which I absolutely love. And then in my second savings challenge, I've got my 50-cent coin challenge, which this envelope just houses this tracker. Like I showed you guys the last time, my daughter made this for me, so it's not very pretty or very nice, but I don't care. It just houses all my 50 cents for this challenge. Then I've got the spend and save, or spend or save from Two Sister Bees in here. I've got the honey here, also from Two Sister Bees. Celebrate 2000, Two Sister Bees. 500 at the Hive from Two Sister Bees. Be Our Guest, Two Sister Bees. 100 honeys, Two Sister Bees. And then I've just got some extra challenges in here, so that whenever a challenge is completed, I can just replace it with whatever I want, whatever I feel like doing next. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next challenge, where we'll be stuffing my envelopes and my sinking funds for the next week, which will be week 3. And yeah, take care of yourselves. God bless. Bye bye.